Hi everybody, welcome to the vlog.
For today's video, I'm going to try to change the, what do you call that? My car's belt here. So I have the, okay, I hope I can do it. I have the experience so far or whatnot, but let's give it a try. We're gonna be doing a reference mark. So we would know where to go back later. So let's do the marking. We're gonna loosen this up. So what we did here is that we loosened up this bolt over here and this one. So we did three bolt to loosen up, and this one over here. So 12, size 12, and this one is size 14. So that's it, guys. So the belt is almost out of its there. Successfully remove the belt, and then you have to remove it all the way there, down there. Okay, so success, guys. We removed the serpentine belt. Okay, so the next step is we have to unpack this stuff over here. We got this on. So just quick comparison with this old belt. This is the replacement. See the difference now? This one is kind of shiny. The inside part, see, it looks very worn out already. So, I don't know if you can see the difference. Right? Finished. We finally installed it successfully here. So what we need to do is to tighten up this bolt over here, the adjustment bolt and everything, the 3 bolts, and then we're good to go. So guys, we successfully placed the belt in here. So we'll just turn on the engine to check if the squeaking is gone. Check if the squeaking is gone. Okay, so there you go, guys. The belt is running well, squeaking is gone, a job well done.